Hey everybody, Jake and Brenda here, our sweet adventures.
Hello, and today we are going to make fried dill pickle mozzarella sticks. All right, it's actually going to be a process because you have to use the kosher dill pickle juice, and then we're gonna stick 8 of the mozzarella string cheese in here, and it has to marinate for like 2 days or more. The longer you leave it in there, the more flavor of that you will get. So let's begin by getting out here 6, 7, and 8. So this should be a very interesting recipe, I believe. I mean, it's easy, but these aren't easy.
No. Oh, look how easy it is.
And what I'm hoping for is I might have to take the mozzarella sticks and check them, and every so often flip them around and flip them around, or flip the jar upside down so that they can get flavored throughout. And we might leave them in there at least 2 days, if not longer. And then you actually bread them, and once we get these all in here and they've been marinated, we will go ahead and show you the next steps. But I'm going to continue to put these in here, and once they've marinated, we will be coming back at you. Hi everyone, we're back. These have been marinated for a few days, and I'm just going to go ahead and tell you that the ingredients. So there's 8 string cheese, and 1 jar of dill pickle juice, a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1.5 tablespoons of flour, 2 cups of crushed. You can use pork rinds, or you can use the Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, which that's what we are using today. And then 2 eggs beaten, and of course the vegetable oil to fry them in. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and start the process of dipping them in the egg first, then into the breadcrumbs, back into the egg, back into the breadcrumbs, into the skillet. And we're just going to do about 3 of these to show you how it's done. And then we'll we'll stop it, and then we'll come back and show you the finished product. So here we go. So dip it in the egg. Seems like a lot of breadcrumbs, but
It does.
really a lot. I mean, you can always use them for something else, but dip it back in there. Well, maybe you can use it for something else, but make sure you get it really good and coated, I think, is the key too. And now this is going to be exciting. I'm going to go put this one in, and hopefully I won't get burnt. Nope.
That oil is preheated to 350.
Yes. Yep.
Yep.
Okay, so there's one into the egg, into this. Really good. I bet you it's not going to take them too long.
No, it's not.
To go.
And you can use probably a smaller pan so you don't use so much oil.
Yeah. In a deeper pan.
Yeah.
You know. Is that the second time? I might be the third time. I don't know.
Well, doesn't hurt to have more.
No.
So
I'm just going to do 2, to be honest with you, because I think we need to flip these over and get them going. And it would be better if it were in oil deeper.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we're going to have to flip these. So talk to you soon. Okay, we thought we'd come back in and show you, because it does take like 3 to 5 minutes to get these fried up. So as you can see, they're nice and brown, that one. And then there's one over there on the plate that we did take out. One thing I will say, the egg amount was about right for eight of the mozzarella sticks, but way too much of this. I mean, it's unbelievable. I can't believe it. You would only need probably, and there again, if you were making more, yes, you know, we only did the 8. But if you were making more, then probably about a cup, I would say.
Yeah, that's...
But the 2 eggs for sure, if you were gonna, you know, change the recipe on your own there.
Yeah, this was about right for the eggs.
Eggs, And there again, definitely a deeper dish, or pan
I mean,
to fry it in.
it's working good.
It's working. We just have to...
Use a little more oil that way, but...
Right, and I'm gonna
yeah.
see how one of these
Turn
are
them
doing
on,
here. And we did turn them a little bit, but boy, look how nice and crunchy that's gonna be. Let's see what this one's like. See, you can kind of tell that you don't want to flip them.
Yeah.
I think the key is you have them covered in the oil, and then that way you don't have to flip them.
Yeah, wouldn't a deep fryer or something work better for these? I would think. I don't know.
Oh, I wonder if you could put them in your... I'm not good with it because we don't use it. Air fryer? That might work. That might work too. Easier. But anyway,
Cook them up.
we're going to finish this, and then we're going to let them cool, and then we'll do the taste test.
Okay, guys. Here's the finished product here. They look good, smell good. Now for the taste test here. So I'll grab one here.
And we rate it. Okay,
yeah.
got one.
1 through 5.
Oh, wow. Pretty good.
Yeah.
You can really taste the dill.
Dill.
So you have a dill cheese stick.
Yeah, I guess. Actually pretty
Wow,
good.
that is good. That would be good for parties
Yeah,
and
snacks. Super Bowl.
Super Bowl, which is actually tomorrow, but
But yeah, yeah. I don't know,
1
to 5. I'm gonna go 3.5. I think they're good, but not delicious. I mean, not
oh, you know what we were gonna do?
what?
We wanted to try dipping it in Chick-fil-A sauce.
Yep.
I'll be right back here.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab it.
Or even ranch. You know, ranch would be good too.
Yeah.
Something. I think they do need something.
I think that might help.
Yeah. So let's give them a shot of this.
Okay, so just squeeze. Where's your? Okay,
Yeah.
just squeeze a little on there.
Yep.
Chick-fil-A.
Yep.
Oh,
Maybe.
okay.
Okay.
Go there. Put a little on mine. Dipping sauce of any kind is always better, right?
That helps. That definitely helps. I think ranch would be really good too. So.
It helps to tone down.
Yeah.
The sauce helps to tone down the dill pickle
Yeah.
taste. But
I'm still gonna go 3.5. I think.
and I'm gonna go with 4.
Yep.
Like I said, that recipe, it needs to be changed, and we will be putting that on the end of this video so that if you want it,
Yep.
you can and try, then you're able to have the recipe.
Yeah. So.
Other than that,
For today.
I think they're good.
Yeah, they're good.
I'd make them again.
Yep.
Yep.
We want to say 5 for the absolute best. You know.
Yeah.
I think I did a 5 on something.
It was one of the, I think it was Snickers
Yeah,
or
maybe
the
that was the Snickers or the Oreos wrapped in bacon. I'm not sure.
those were good. Those were good too.
Yeah. So
Check those videos out.
Lots of food videos.
Food.
Yeah. So yeah, I guess one thing too, leave a comment, see if maybe you've made these before or something. But tell us what you think and where you're from, watching from.
Yes.
That's always fun to
see where everybody's
all across the country.
Yep.
So I guess
for now,
we'll do it for today.
Yeah. Just remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we're here, there, and everywhere. Follow us on our journey.
All right.
Next time.